Hi everyone and welcome. Are you looking for a healthy and satisfying meal that won't leave you feeling sluggish? Then you're in the right place. Today we show you how to make our Asian salad with our homemade miso dressing, colorful veggies, and grilled tofu. It's loaded with nutrients, packed with protein from the grilled tofu, and completely free of added sugars. This salad is perfect for light lunch, a healthy dinner, or a meal prepping. So, let's get started.
And how the years light themselves and blend into a single flame.
To begin, we'll need our blender and add 1 tablespoon of white miso paste to it. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, or if you prefer, white wine vinegar works well too. To add a citrusy touch, we'll pour in 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. To sweeten the dressing naturally, without any added sugar, throw in 1 chopped gala apple or any other sweet apple you have on hand. For a touch more sweetness, toss in about 1 chopped carrot. Now we'll add 1 large clove of garlic to give it a pungent kick. To add a mild onion flavor with a touch of sweetness, let's add 1 chopped shallot. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger to give the dressing a spicy kick and a beautiful aroma. Time for a tablespoon of soy sauce that will add some umami goodness. Now let's add a half teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, to add a nutty and a fragrant aroma, let's add a half teaspoon of toasted sesame seed oil. Let's fire up the blender and give it a whirl for about a minute to puree everything. With the blender still running, we'll slowly add half cup of avocado oil in a steady stream. Just keep blending until it's smooth and kind of thick. To make this meal plant-based, we'll be using 350 grams of extra firm tofu as our protein source. Let's cut this tofu in half lengthwise like this. Season both sides of the tofu with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Now carefully place the seasoned tofu into a shallow square bowl. Let's pour the miso dressing over the tofu, making sure every surface is covered. Use a spatula to ensure the tofu is evenly coated with the marinade. Place the tofu in the fridge to marinate for at least an hour before you're ready to grill it. We are using a cast iron grill for this recipe. Heat it up and then spray it well with the cooking oil. Place the tofu pieces onto the grill and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side or until golden brown. Let's brush some soy sauce on the tofu for extra flavor and color. To perfectly complement the tangy and savory flavors of the Miso-Ginger Dressing, we are using a mix of fresh vegetables such as greens, shredded carrots, red cabbage, diced cucumber, boiled and diced beets, and edamame beans.
Please don't fly away. And how the years
And there you have it, a complete and satisfying meal that you can enjoy without any guilt. The flavorful miso-ginger dressing perfectly complements the fresh vegetables, and the miso grilled tofu provides an ample protein to keep you full and energized throughout the day. Thanks for tuning in. We really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and leave a comment below. We'll be back soon with more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.